it's your girl Misty here, and today I'll be showing you how I clean my face piercings. Okay, so we're gonna get a little up close and personal for a second here. So as you can see, I have a few facial piercings. I have a nostril on each side, my septum, my philtrum, my vertical labret, and I have my tongue pierced, but I'm not gonna show you how I clean that because I just use mouthwash anyway. You can't really see me, cleaning it. Okay, so supplies. First off, what we use to clean. This is just a saline spray. I think this is Target brand. Yeah. I also have some Q-tips. And lastly, I have 2 disposable paper cups. One will be putting my jewelry into to clean it, and the other will be to dip the Q-tips into. Alright, so first, I think I'm going to start with my nose piercings because they seem to be the easiest for me to get out. So this nose piercing is pretty easy to take out. It's just a corkscrew. On this side, I just have a half hoop kind of thing. Next, I'm going to take out my septum. Septum ring. Next, I'm going to take out my philtrum, which is a bit trickier to take out. That is just like a flat back. And lastly is my vertical labret. Now, I have not seen myself without any piercings on my face in a long time. It honestly feels kind of weird. Like, my normal is I'm used to them, so like without them it's just like feels like I have empty space. But yeah, for those who have wondered what my face looks like without piercings, here you go. Weird, I'm not used to it. Anyways, on to the cleaning. Alright, so now I'm just dipping Q-tips into this cup. And I'm going to be using a different Q-tip for each piercing, because you really don't want to be mixing germs around. I mean, I've had these piercings for a while, so I don't have to worry too much about germ contamination, but I still do anyway. For this one, I can only really clean the outside. For the inside, I use mouthwash, which I use every day, twice a day. It's not more than that, but I wonder if I can show you my scar. I've had my vertical labret done twice. I don't know if you can see the scar or not. You can see the holes there is pursed. You can see where the inside of that lays. My septum. I want it to be in focus. And then those piercings are just little holes. Alright, now that the jewelry has been soaking, I'm gonna put it back in my face. This one's a bit trickier because it's inside out, which is kind of hard to tell. Oh, I got it in. Perfect. Next is septum. I don't know if that was in focus. I'm sorry if it wasn't. My camera battery is dying. Oh, this is the worst part. Trying to get the balls on. Worst part. Alright, septum is on. Now to try to get my philtrum back in. Alright, now for the last piercing, my vertical break. So that's pretty much it for cleaning my facial piercings. If you liked the video, like the video. If you want to see more content like this, let me know. Or if you have any other video ideas you'd love to see me do, let me know. I'd love to see what you're interested in. Alright, I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Alright, bye!